we're gonna get all the light colors on first. So we'll do the eyes. Is it cold?
It's really cold.
It's really cold. And here comes your nosy.
It's becoming colder.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's so cold. This is the tummy oven. This one's dry, okay? That won't hurt you. This one's just a little wet, okay? Just a little. I won't go near your eyes. I won't. I don't have to go near them.
Then why did you just get it on
I didn't know you didn't want
my
me to.
eyelashes?
I didn't know you didn't want me to. I'm so sorry. I gotta make you look really good because you're the first one, okay?
When you're going to be done?
In about 2 minutes.
Are you done?
And you want to peek so far? Want to see so far? See, I've got to fill in the black, and I've got to give him his eyeballs, and I've got to outline his beak, and then it'll be done.
Will you give them it in my heel? Are you done now?
Okay, now draw his little angry mouth, okay? know the movie tip.